Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the freshest kicks and exclusive sneaker deals. Today, we're talking about a hidden gem in the sneaker game that's taking the culture by storm. ShareSneakers.org. If you're all about securing hyped pairs without breaking the bank, this one's for you. ShareSneakers.org is your go-to online spot for high-quality sneakers. From classic Jordans to the latest Yeezys, they've got a wide selection of heat. What sets them apart? It's their insane attention to detail and affordability. Think premium quality without the crazy resale prices. What's even better is their focus on making the shopping experience simple and smooth. You'll find clear product descriptions, detailed images, and a super easy checkout process. Whether you're after odd colorways or limited edition collabs, ShareSneakers has it all. And let's talk quality, because nobody wants to drop money on something that doesn't live up to the hype. Their kicks are crafted to match the originals, down to the smallest details. Stitching, materials, and even the packaging are on point. It's like unboxing a pair straight from the store. But here's the best part: the prices. ShareSneakers.org is perfect for sneaker lovers who want to grow their collection without spending a fortune. You get premium quality kicks that won't leave your wallet hurting. So if you're ready to step up your sneaker game without the hassle of overpriced resale markets, check out ShareSneakers.org today. Trust me, your feet and your bank account will thank you. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dope sneaker content. Peace!